Hello everyone, in this short video I will explain you low inflation. Low inflation is characterized by prices rising slowly and predictably in a country. Low inflation can be defined as a single-digit annual inflation rate. For example, in Saudi Arabia or other Gulf states, the petrol prices increase by only a few cents, or called in Arabic halala. This impacts minimal on the prices of goods and services in the economy at general level, such as 1 rial or 2 rials overall. The economists advise keeping the inflation rate low because the low inflation rate contributes towards economic stability, which encourages saving, investments including FDIs, economic growth, and helps maintaining international competitiveness. When prices are relatively stable, people trust money or the currency of the country because it retains its value from month to month and year to year. People prefer to write long-term contracts in country's currency because they are confident that the relative prices of goods they buy and sell will not get too far out of line. This was One Learning Minute. See you tomorrow.